Open Razor Steel Stair. Advanced steel tutorial with the template included. Go to my website. You will find a direct link below the video. Download the template to your hard drive. Click the link, the download will start. Save the file to your local hard drive. Go to the folder where the file is saved. Extract the file. Open Advanced Steel. Open the Stair template file. You can delete this stair. We will create a new one. Go to Home - Greater Than Extended Modeling and click on the stair icon. You will be asked how you want to create the stair. Choose the default option, 0, start and end points. The next thing to do is specify the start point. Click on the point where the top of the first razor will be created, 1.5 inches away and to the side, which is a width of our MC channel stringer. Secondly, click where the end point of the stair should be, also taking into consideration the width of the stringer. Answer the question of how to align the stair by pressing number 2 and enter. In a second or two, the stair will be created. In the Stair dialog box, go to Properties then Library. Choose the Open Razor Stair template. Adjust the width of the stair. Place the UCS at the top of the stair where you want to trim the stringers. From Features, choose the Shorten It UCS tool, select both stringers, and press Enter. Place the UCS at the very top of the stair and rotate the UCS to the correct position. From Features, choose the Shorten It UCS tool, select both stringers, and press Enter. Move the UCS so it is located 1.5 inches away from the face of the first razor. Now rotate the UCS so the XY plane is lying flat on the floor. From Features, choose the Shorten It UCS tool again, select both stringers, and press Enter. Rotate the UCS so the XY plane is perpendicular to the stringers. From Features, choose the Shorten It UCS tool, select both stringers, and press Enter. For the final touch, let's make the plates at the top and bottom of the stairs. Move the UCS so it is on the top of the stringer where you want to install the new plate. Go to Home - Greater Than Objects and choose Rectangular Plate, 2 points. Choose the 2 points. A dialog box will open. Adjust the thickness of the plate. Copy the plate to the other stringer. Using a similar procedure, make the vertical plates at the bottom of the stringers. The UCS XY plane must be in the vertical position. Once the plate is completed, copy this plate to the other side of the stairs.